Hello guys, welcome to Mechanical Designer. Please subscribe my channel for latest CATIA, SolidWorks, ANSYS related tutorials, mechanical job related codes related videos. So let's go to our topic. So today we will just learn how to design this SolidWorks simple sheet metal tutorial of the water sink. You can see this. We are just going to design this. So today in this tutorial we will just learn some of the amazing tools like the forming tool, the edit flange command, the design library command, and the base flange command. So don't skip the video. Please subscribe our channel, join our telegram group, the link in the description below. So please subscribe our channel. So let's go to our topic here. So we have just come to the SolidWorks main page. You have to change some of the settings here. At first change the plane white and then go for the unit change. So at first you have to make this, they go for the front plane, then front plane you have to make the centered rectangle here, give its dimensions 150 and then give it this dimension is 80 millimeter. Okay, when you have just done it, exit from sketch, then go for the features and make exclude, and this exclude will be reverse direction and the length will be 10 millimeter. You can just see that this will make, then go for this and you have to just go for this sketch. Okay, when you have go to this sketch, make the center line here. At first this center line will be like that and go another center line here. This center line will be like that. Then we have to go for one circle here and we will just give its dimension, that is 14, and we have just give its dimension from here to here to here, that will be 15, and this, that will be also 15. We have just mirror it, just select this and mirror it here, then go for the mirror option, select the both and mirror it from here. When you have just edit, then you have to just go for the exclude base boss base command, select this, go for this and select all the four, and the length will be 5 millimeter. Okay, then you have to go for the fillet command, select all the faces here and give its fillet 2 millimeter. Okay, you can see this. Then go for the again this sketch, make it normal and you have just go for the center rectangle from here. This will be the center rectangle. I am just giving its dimensions will be 82 and this will be 60. I'm just making all the fillet here. The dimension of the fillet will be 10. Okay, when you have just done it, then just exit sketch, go for the features, exclude, and this length will be 20. When it's going to be 20, then you have to go for the fillet, making this corner, and the fillet will be 5 millimeter. and this corner will be 2 mm. Okay, you can see that we have just created it. Now we have to change it to the forming tool, and just you have to go for the sheet metal, select this forming tool, and the stopping face will be here, and the faces to remove, there will be these four are the four faces have to be removed. You will clear these conceptions when you have just transferred it to the final product. Please wait, I will show that also. Just make these and just click it here, that you have just done it. Then go for the save as command. When you have go to the save as command, please select the forming tool here, go for the forming tool. I am just give it the form 3, just previously I have making 2 of those, so just save it. When you have just save it, then just make it exit, just click here and close it, don't save it. Then go again for the part 1, make it the plain white, give it millimeter, make it front plane. Then go for the center rectangle, give its dimension will be 150, this dimension will be 80, making the all the fillet that will be 10. Okay, this will be the 10. Just click here. When you have just click here, then go for the features, click here, go for the sheet metal and base flange. This will be 1.50, the bend allowance will be 0.5, and the auto relief ratio will be 0.5. okay, then click here. I'm just changing its color here. That color will be bluish color. I'm give its color to this color. Just select this copy appearance and just paste it here. Okay, you can see that the color has been changed. When it has been changed, then go for the design library, and just design library you have to go for the forming tools. You can see that the form 3 has became done. Just drag and drop here. Okay, then go for the position and make it perpendicular. Just go for the smart dimension, click here and here, this will be 75, click here and here, this will be 40. When you have just done it, then go for the click, and when you have just clicked that, you can see that the simple basic basin has been made here. You can just flatten it, export it to the DXF files for the AutoCAD, and please subscribe my channel, join the Telegram link, Telegram channel, WhatsApp group in the below in the description below. Please subscribe my channel, share with your friends, and don't forget to like and comment below what type of designs you want. And this is the complete tutorial of the simple sheet metal basin tutorial, water sink tutorial. Please just have a view. Okay, and thanks for watching. Thank you all.